All right, top 20 life insurance questions in the U.S. Number 7, term life versus whole life insurance, question mark. I've gone over this before, but term life is a policy that lasts a certain term, a certain period, like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and at the end of that time, it does cancel. Now, the benefits of term is it provides a lot of coverage. You're talking about like 100,000, 500,000, million, 2 million plus of coverage for a little bit of money. You're talking 25, 50, 100 bucks a month. So these offer a lot of coverage for a certain period of time, and they're used for people who have young kids, mortgages. They want to leave money for their family in case something happens to them. So these are my favorite policies by far. Whole life insurance, these policies, I think there is a place for them. Typically, it's for seniors who are looking to cover the cost of a funeral or cremation. My recommendation, if you are a senior who needs a whole life policy, I would not go above and beyond what the cost of the funeral cremation is, or if you do, not by much, because whole life policies, they provide a lot less coverage, typically like 10, 20, $30,000. They're a lot more expensive. They build cash value. That's going to be one of the selling points. But the cash value builds up slowly. The first 2 to 3 years is all about paying the insurance companies, paying the fees, paying the agent, and after that, the cash value does build up. And if you borrow against the cash value, that's going to be another selling point that they have. It doesn't. It's not free. Say if you've got a $20,000 policy, you borrow $5,000 from the cash value. That means if something happens to you, your family only gets $15,000. So that is my recommendation. If you have to get a whole life policy, I would get something that's going to cover the cost of the burial and cremation, maybe a little bit more if you have to. Term policies, if you've got kids, for the love of God, get a term policy. Um, and if you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact me. You can text me or give me a call, set up a time to go over things. All right, thanks a lot.